Okay, dear students, we are in complex number miscellaneous exercise 5.4, the number we have given for that exercise number. Okay, in last class, in miscellaneous exercise, 5 questions we have completed. Okay, now sixth question onwards, let us see and we will finish. We will try to solve up to 12 questions. Okay, see, solve 3x square minus 4x plus 20 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay. If you see here, denominator 3 is there. Directly if you apply x value, then little bit calculation is going to become tougher. Okay. What we do, we can simplify it. How can we simplify? You multiply 3 both sides. RHS 3 into 0 is 3 only, 0 only. That is not going to make any difference. But in LHS, you see, if you multiply with 3, 9x square minus 12x plus 20. Why? Because 3 is going to cancel. Then we can do easily. Okay, like that we have to think. Okay, let us see. Let us change this equation first. 9x square minus 12x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now this is the main equation. Okay. Okay. Is it required to write again ax square? Directly we can write abcd. Okay. Write down a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 20. Why? Because ax square plus bx plus c form it is there. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Now we know the formula. That formula we write again. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. In this formula we have to substitute. Let us substitute. That is equal to, see, already minus is there. Minus minus plus 12. Plus or minus square root of b square, 12 square. Directly I am writing 144. Minus 4ac. 4 into a is 9, c is 20. Okay. 2a. 2 into 9, 18. Shall I write directly 18? Okay. 2 into 9, 18. Okay. Let us first simplify this, then we will see. 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus, see, 9 fours are 36. 36 into 2, 72. 720. By 18. Okay. Now what we do, we will see 144 minus 720 or 720 minus 144. See, now we are in complex numbers. No ordinary quadratic equations are going to come. All equations are going to come in I form only. That means square root minus square root values are going to come inside minus. Okay. 720, 144. 6, 7, 5. Okay. See, 576. How can you convert into this one? Why? Because see, 576 square you can make, but that will be in minus. Okay. See, we know 25 into 25 is 625. 15 into 15, 225. 13 into 13, 169. Like that, some squares also up to, even if possible, up to 30 you by heart squares. Cubes up to 10 also you have to by heart. Okay. 24 into 24 is 576. Okay, now let us make 12 plus or minus square root of minus 576 under 18. Okay. Okay. 576, how can you write? You can write like this. 12 plus or minus I square root of 576 by 18. Is it correct? Why? Because see, minus is there. I have taken I out. Then 576 will be there. Now 576 root you can write 24 directly. Write down. That is equal to x. Sorry, x. 12 plus or minus I 24 by 18. Okay. Now what you are observing? All multiples of 6. 6 you take common. 6 2s are 6 4s are. That means 2 plus 4. 3. Okay. 2 plus or minus I 4. See 3 like this also you can write, or well, as one number you can write, or like this also you can write. Why? Because here both I have changed to understand you properly. Why? Because these 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. 6 I have taken and cancelled out. Okay. Now this is the answer. 2 by 3 plus or minus I 4 by 3. Okay, this is complex number. That means solution we have got, but not real number. Solution complex number. Okay. This is the 6th question. Let us go for 7th question. See the 7th question. Solve x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Okay. You see, here also in denominator 2 is there. Simplest form is you multiply with 2. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 is going to become. Why? Because 2 into 0 is 0 only. Then it will be easy for us to do. But the x value is going to come in complex form only, not ordinary form. Why? Because in ordinary form means this is not a tough question. This is very easy question and this will not come in complex number. Okay. Okay, let us see. Now I am changing, you see, 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Why? Because with 2 I have multiplied. This is going to become cancellation, but here into 2, 4 into 2, 2x square. Okay. Now you write ABC also. A is equal to 2 ax square plus bx. That means b is minus 4. C is 3. Okay. Now we have got all 3 values. X formula also we know, right? X formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. This is the formula. Then substitute minus b. See, already minus is there. Minus of minus plus, then you take 4 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 square also 16 only. 16 minus 4 into AC, a into 2 into 3. Okay. Okay, divided by 2a, 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Okay. 4 plus or minus square root of 16. Okay, minus. You see, 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24. Okay. 2 into 3, 6 into 4, 24. Okay, 24. 4. Okay. Again you write 4 plus or minus square root of, you see, 16 minus 24 is minus 8. Why? Because 24 minus 16 is 8. 16 minus 24 is minus 8. You put minus 8 by 4. Okay. Now how can you convert this? You can convert like this, you see. X is equal to 4 plus or minus I root 8 by 4. Because minus I 8 you can convert I root 8. Okay. Now see, root 8 also 2 root 2 you can write. Why? Because 4 into 2 you take 2 out. 4 root 4, that means 2. Like this you can write. Okay, you see 4 by 4 I am writing, then 1 plus or minus 4 by 4. Okay. I root 2 by 2. Is it okay? Why? Because see, 2 root 2 is going to come. 8 means see 4 into 2 under root. That is equal to 4 root is root 2. by 4. 2 times goes root 2 by 2. Okay. This will be your final answer. 1 plus or minus I root 2 by 2. Okay. Normally when root 2 is in denominator, then you have to rationalize. Why? Because normal practice is you should not keep root in denominator. You multiply with another root, then numerator it goes root and denominator normal real number has to come. Now in denominator real number is there. That is why you need not worry. You can keep this answer like this only. Okay. This is the 7th question. Let us go for 8th question. Okay. See the question. 8th question. Solve 27x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Here there is no complex denominator is there. Okay. That straight away you can take, but you have to first write ABCD. ABC. Okay. Write ABC. Then we go for remaining calculation. Okay. Write down ABC. Now A is equal to 27, B is equal to minus 10, C is equal to 1. Is it okay? Okay. Now write the formula. X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC, okay, by 2A. Okay. See, already minus is there. Minus of minus plus, that means 10. Plus or minus square root of B square. Minus 10 square is also 100. Minus 4 into AC. 4 into, you see, A is 27 into 1. That means 27 you can write. Okay. Into 1 you write, don't write, that is nothing going to make any difference. 27 into 1. Okay. 2A, 27 into 2. Shall I write 54 directly? 27 into 2, 52, 54. Why? Because 25 into 2, 50, 7, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Now you calculate that 27 into 4. Why? Because see, direct you cannot put I. Okay. Unless you calculate this 27 into I. Okay. 27 into 4. 4 7s are 28. Okay. 2 is there. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2. 10. 108. You see 100 minus 108 means minus 8 is going to come. Write down. 10 plus or minus square root of minus 8 under 54. Okay. Let it be. That is equal to minus 8 we can easily convert it. I root 8. Write down 10 plus or minus I root 8 by 54. Okay. Now this root 8 also I can convert into 2 root 2. Let me convert 10 plus or minus I 2 root 2 by 54. Is it okay? Okay. This will be final answer. No. You see 2 you can take common. 2, 2, 2. Okay. I'll take that out. 2 if you take, this will be 5 plus or minus I, this will be root 2. But here you can write 27, here you can write 27. Why? Because 2 times 54, 2 times it goes. 2 into 57. Okay, 27. That means your final answer will be 5 by 27 plus or minus I root 2 by 27. Here also you see denominator is not square root, but numerator square root is there, then you leave it. That is not going to create any problem. This is question number 8. Let us go for question number 9. See the 9th question. Solve 21x square minus 28x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Here also no denominator separate is there. All denominators are 1 only. Then easily you can first take A, B, C values. Then you substitute. Okay. Let us take A, B, C values. A is equal to 21. B is equal to minus 28. C is equal to 10. Okay? Okay. Write the formula first. X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Okay. You see, minus b means minus of minus 28 plus 28 plus or minus 28 square. Write down. We will do afterwards. See this one. B square minus 4ac. 4 into 21 into 10. 21 into 10 AC. Okay. Okay. Now 2a. See, 2a means 21 into 2, 42. I am writing directly 42. Okay. Now here you see 21 into 4 means 84. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 84. 840 into 10 means 840 is going to come. But this you have to calculate. Normally it should be less than 840. That is why in complex number it has come. Okay, let me write. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 784. Okay, is it correct? 784. Okay. Write down. That is equal to 28 plus or minus square root of 784 minus 840. $42. Okay. Okay. You see, 784 minus 840 means how much it will come? 10, 4, 6, 3 will be there. 13, 8, 5. That's all. 56. That means minus 56 is going to come. 28 plus or minus square root of minus 56 by 42. Okay. Now how to convert this? We can convert this in I. Okay. 28 plus or minus I root 56 by 42. You see here 56 directly you need not keep. Why? Because see 56 you take factorization, direct 56 root is not there. I know 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64. This is between 49 and 64. We know that root is not available. But you can simplify further. How? You see 56 2 times 28 2 times 14. Now it will not go. Why? Because 2 into 7 will come. That is why you keep 14 like that one. That means 2 into 2 4. 4 into 14 if you keep automatically 4 root 2. That means 2 into 2 also 1 2 you have to take out. That means root 56 is going to become 2 root 14. Okay, 2 root 14. 2 square 4 into 14 56. Again it is going to come under root. Okay. Now you can split this 2 root 14. Why? Because 2 2 2 you can take cancel and you cancel out each other. Why? Because finally this 21 is going to come denominator. Okay. 28 plus or minus I 2 root 14 by 42. Now what I can do? I can split x is equal to finally I can write. You see 2 I have taken common means here 14 is going to come. 14 by 21. Okay. Why? Because I have splitted. I 2 21. Why? Because root 14 will be like that only. 21. You see even further 7 2 7 3s also you can do. There is no wrong. Okay. There is no condition that both denominators you should keep same. No. Here both numbers may change also. You have already changed. Ratios also you can change. Denominator also you need not keep same. Now 7 2s 7 3s. 7 2s 7 3s. 2 by 3 plus or minus I root 14 by 21. See, NCRT kept like this only answer. You also should keep. That is not logic. Why? Because 7 twos to 7 threes. That's all. Okay. Now this will be your final answer for ninth question. Let us go for 10th question. See the 10th question. If Z1 is equal to 2 minus I, Z2 is equal to 1 plus I, both separate complex numbers. Okay. Find Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Modulus you have to find. This is modulus. Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Okay. Direct modulus you cannot find until you make this complete as one number. Okay. One complex number. Then you can make modulus. Okay. A square plus B square under root. Okay. Let us do separately numerator, separate, denominator, separate, and you do numerator by denominator, rationalize, then finally one number is going to come. That number finally you have to make modulus. Okay, let us do first Z1 plus Z2 plus 1. You see, Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 is equal to 2 minus I. You see, plus is there, directly we can write plus 1 plus I plus 1. Is it okay? See, when plus plus is there, you need not keep parentheses or small brackets. Directly you can write. Plus plus is there. Any minus is there, then you little bit carefully how to write. Okay? 2 minus I plus 1 plus I plus 1. Okay. Now what will come here? Real part. See, addition, subtraction, only real part to real part only. Okay? In multiplication, then real to imaginary, real to real. Like that you have to do. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. Minus I plus I, 0. Then don't, you put at least 4 plus I, 0. Okay. Let it be 4 plus I, 0. That means numerator is 4 plus I, 0. Let us see denominator also. Okay. Denominator. You see Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Okay. Okay, now you don't write directly, you put two parentheses. Why? Because 2 minus I, okay, minus Z2, 1 plus I plus 1. You see, minus is there here. 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Write 2. Okay, minus I, minus I2. Okay. Now you see numerator is 4 plus I0, denominator is 2 minus I2. Then numerator by denominator you put and rationalize it. Division, rationalize. It has to come one number. After coming of finally one number, then you make modulus. Okay. Now I am writing how you see. Z1 plus Z2 plus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1 is equal to 4 plus I0 by 2 minus I2. Okay. Now denominator, in denominator complex number comes means we don't know the value directly. You have to rationalize. That means into 2 plus I2. 2 plus I2 by 2 plus I2. Is it okay? 2 plus I2 into 2 minus I2. Denominator 2 square minus I square is going to come. 2 square, A square, 2 square, 4 minus I square, 4. Why? Because I square and 2 square. A square minus B square, A square, B square. In B, I is there. Okay? Okay, this is the case of denominator. What about numerator? See, simply if you observe here, for the sake of convenience, we have written 4 plus I0. But here, this 0, even if you multiply, both are going to become 0. Rather than that, what we do? We do multiply with only 4. 4 into 2, 8. Plus I, 4 into 2, 8. That is going to come. You understand, na? Even if you do also 4 into 2, 8, okay. Then 4 into 2, 8, okay. And again, you 0 into 2, 0. Plus 0. Plus 0 into 2, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. You need not write it. Okay. Okay. Now you see real part is going to separate. Write down. That is equal to 8 plus I 8 will be there, numerator. But denominator, see, I square is minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1. That means 4 plus 4, 8. Shall I take 8 common? Why? Because all 8, 8, 8 is there. 8 if you take common, numerator and denominator going to get cancelled. 1 plus I into 1 is going to come. 1 plus I into 1. Okay? Okay. This will be your final without modulus answer. Okay. But now you have to find modulus. Again you write here modulus. Okay. How to write? Write down. See, this is without modulus, but now same you have to write and you put modulus. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z1 by Z1 minus Z2 plus 1. Now you put modulus. Now without modulus, this one, with modulus we will see a square plus b square. 1 square plus 1 square under root. Okay? What will come? That's all. Root 2 is going to come. This will be your final answer for this question number 10. Okay? Shall we go 11th question? Okay? See the 11th question. If a plus ib is equal to x plus I whole square by 2x square plus 1, prove that a square plus b square is equal to x square plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Okay. See, while simplification here, square is there, has not expanded, then you keep denominator like that only. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Now, how to get a square plus b square? See, one logic is there. Here, a plus ib has given. You can split this in a real part and imaginary part. But before splitting, you have to square it. After square, you have to split. If you square, some complex number is going to come. Why? Because the I square is going to become real part. Complex number. Complex number, real part divided by 2x square plus 1, imaginary part divided by 2x square plus 1. If you make separate, then A will be real part, B will be imaginary part. Okay? Then square A square and B square. Why? Because A square plus B square and add. Then finally, these parts should give result of this one. While doing this, you careful, denominator square like that only you keep. You don't split it. Numerator you have to split, otherwise square is not going to come. Like that you have to think. Okay? Okay. Let us first expand this one a plus ib and separate a and b. Okay? Okay, let us do. Again I am writing a plus ib is equal to, see, I am expanding x square plus I square plus I 2x. Is it okay? You see, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. Okay, I first have written. Okay. Denominator is no expansion. Why? Because 2x square plus 1 will be like this only. But this portion you can further simplify. Why? Because I square is minus 1. X square minus 1. Okay, you keep separately real part. Plus I, this also you put with parenthesis 2x. Okay. Now 2x square plus 1 you write for both rather than 1. Okay. Now if you compare this, a plus ib is equal to this one, then a will be this one, x square minus 1 by 2x square plus 1. B will be this one, 2x by 2x square plus 1. Like that you have to solve this. Okay. A and B if you got, then a square plus b square plus a square b square you can make. Okay. First you write a square. You split and write. What I am doing, you see. A is equal to x square minus 1 by 2x square plus 1. Okay. This one. And B is equal to 2x by 2x square plus 1. Is it okay? Okay? Now what you require? A square plus b square. At least you do a square here in this space. I don't know b square we are able to do or not. A square you can do. A square is equal to, see, x square minus 1 whole square. Don't expand, you write first, then in next line we will expand. Why denominator also have square? Yes, you have to square both. A is this one. A square means total square will come. That means x square minus 1 square, 2x square plus 1 square. But this you don't expand, this we will expand next line. Okay? Okay, this is case of a square, but we want b square also. B square is equal to, see, numerator directly 4x square you can write. Divided by same denominator is going to come. Is it okay? B square is equal to 4x square by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, now you add these two. Why? Because you want this one, prove. You have to prove. A square plus b square is equal to this much. Then you add these two, final result should come this one. That is why this, see, 50% result has already come. You see, denominator matched. Okay. Let us take a square plus b square is equal to, you see, when denominator both are there, a square plus b square, denominator both are same, then I will take denominator as LCM. 2x square plus 1 whole square. This we don't change. Don't expand. Okay? Change means don't expand. Okay. Write down x square. See, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2ab is 1. Okay? This is a square case. Plus is there, plus. You see, you need not keep parenthesis. Why? Because plus is there. If minus is there, and you have to keep parenthesis. Okay? Now b square is 4x square only. Simply you write 4x square. Why? Because by 2x square plus 1 square already we have written. We have taken common LCM. Okay. Now you see what is going to come. Plus 4 minus 2. Why? Because both are x square. Plus 4 minus 2. Plus 2. Write down. X to the power of 4 plus 1 plus 2 x square by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Now you stop and analyze your answer. Answer should come this one, x square plus 1 whole square by 2x square plus 1 whole square. 2x square plus 1 whole square already come, denominator. But numerator, if you see, this is in expanded form. This is not expanded form, but you square that and observe. X square plus 1 whole square, a square, x to the power of 4, okay, b square, 1, okay, 2ab, 2x square into 1, 2x square, 2x square, okay. Then you can replace that easily, okay. Write down. That is equal to x square plus 1 whole square by 2x square plus 1 whole square, that is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, like that you write and close this issue. Okay. This will be your 11th question. Let us go for 12th question. Okay. See the 12th question. Let Z1 is equal to 2 minus I. Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus I. Find real part of Z1, Z2 by conjugate Z1. Why? Because this is conjugate, bar is there. Z1 bar means conjugate. Conjugate of Z1. Imaginary part of 1 divided by Z1 into Z1 conjugate. Okay, this you have to do. Fine. What we do, we don't have space to do for both. First we will do this one, first part. Then we will rub and we will do second part. Okay? Okay. Now you see how to find this first question. That means first question solution we are doing. You see, Z1, Z2 by conjugate of Z1, you have to make, then that part, that final number, real part you have to find. Okay? First let us see Z1 and Z2. Z1 into Z2 is equal to, write down again, 2 minus I into minus 2 plus I. Okay? This is multiplication. Then we will do conjugate also, then conjugate division. Okay. Okay, 2 minus I into minus 2 plus I. Okay. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 2 into I plus I2. Minus minus plus I into 2 I2. Minus plus minus I into I square. Is it okay? Okay. Now again expand. Same again I am writing Z1, Z2, that is equal to. You see here I square value is minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. I2 plus I2, 2I plus 2I like you take, 4I. I4 I will write. Okay. Okay. See, this is only Z1, Z2 complex number, but Z1 conjugate also you have to find and you have to divide both. Huh? Okay. Let us find conjugate of Z1. You see, Z1 is over, I am writing here, Z1 is equal to 2 minus I. Z1 conjugate is equal to, here only I am writing. Why? Because see, Z1 conjugate. 2 plus I. Conjugate means imaginary part to sign you have to change. Symbol or sign. 2 plus I, 2 minus I. 2 minus I, 2 plus I. Like that you have to change it. Our values are not going to change. Only sign has to be changed. Okay. Now you got Z1, Z2 and conjugate of Z1 also. Z1, Z2 conjugate of Z1. Then you divide. Okay. You divide. Okay. Let me write. Z1, Z2 by conjugate of Z1 is equal to minus 3 plus I4 by 2 plus I. Conjugate of Z1. Okay. Now see, we don't know division. You have to multiply by taking its inverse like. Or else directly you can do what we can say. Rationalization. I am doing rationalization. Rationalization, how we have to do? 2 minus I. Then automatically Z1 only it is going to come. Okay, conjugate of Z1 means automatically Z1. That means into Z1 divided by Z1. Like that it will come. Okay, let us write 2 minus I by 2 minus I. Multiplication. Okay. Okay, write down. That is equal to. Okay. See, denominator first we finish. Why? Because denominator is easy to finish. A square minus B square. A square 4 minus B square I square into I square, that's all. Why? Because here only I1 is there. I into 1. A square minus B square. Okay? Now you go for top numerator. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus 3 into minus 1. Why? Because see, minus minus plus I 3. Why? Because see, here I is there, here 3 is there. Then 3I you have to write I3 plus. Okay, now with 3 over with I4 we will see. I4 into 2, I8. Okay. Now you see plus and minus. Minus is going to come. Okay, this is plus, this is plus, okay, plus. But in here plus and minus, minus. Minus I square 4. Is it okay? Minus 4 I square or I square 4. I into I square, 4 into 1, 4 only. Minus is there. Okay. Now expand that one. Sorry. Simplify that one. Simplify, that is equal to I square value is minus 1. Minus of minus plus. Plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4. Plus 2. Write down plus 2. Is it okay? Okay. Oh, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Oh, I've forgotten. 6 is bigger. Minus 6 plus 4. I square minus 1 minus of minus plus 4. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Okay, now you see I11 is going to come. Okay, divided by I square is minus 1. Minus of minus plus 4 plus 1, 5. But you split this in real part separate, plus sign, imaginary part separate. Okay. Now you go for question. What he asked? He asked the real part of this one. That means only this one. He doesn't care about imaginary part. He is asking only real part of Z1, Z2 by conjugate Z. You write again this and equal to minus 2 by 5. You write real part of Z1, Z2 by Z1 conjugate is equal to minus 2 by 5. This you have to keep. Okay? You understand? Okay. Now this is first part only. You write down this one. We go for second part also. Okay? Okay. Okay, let us do second part. Second part, you see, here conjugate divided. But here conjugate is multiplying in denominator. First we will do Z1, Z1 bar. Okay? Again you have to write. Z1 is equal to 2 minus I. Z1 bar is equal to 2 plus I, comma. Z1 into Z1 bar is equal to 2 minus I into 2 plus I, that is equal to, I am writing here again, okay. Z1 bar is equal to this, is equal to, see, A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, A square 4 minus B square I square, that is equal to 4 minus 1 minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1, 5. Okay. Now this is value of Z1 bar, but what we want 1 by Z1. Okay. 1 by Z1 bar is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Now 1 by 5 is there, but he is asking imaginary part. Then how can you write this one? That is equal to 1 by 5 plus I 0. This is only real part. No imaginary part is there. Then if he asks imaginary part, how we have to write? 0 you have to write down. Imaginary part of 1 by Z1 bar is equal to 0. Why? Because this will be imaginary part, I0. It doesn't have any imaginary part. 1 by 5 only it is going to come. 1 by 5 is real part. Okay? Okay. Now we finished question number 12. We have done 7 questions. Still 8 questions are there up to 20. Let us try to do in next class. If possible, total 8 questions we do, or else we do 4 or 5 questions, and remaining questions another class we are going to finish. Okay? Like that we will plan. Okay? Thank you very much.